Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are going to be drawing in our background and adding in our details for the final part of our project for Hispanic Heritage Month. So we are going to be doing the background today. What I am going to use for the background is this yellow color that I have right here. It's just simple yellow. And I am just gonna go and add it in through the whole page, and it's okay if I go over on the top of this one because I am going to use a darker color to come on over on top. So let's just go ahead and color this in yellow. Now make sure you're taking your time to do it, okay? But I'm going to fast forward so that you can see the finished yellow product in the end. Hi guys, so I've noticed that there's a little tricky part right here. What you're going to do is you are going to color in, and sometimes your color might go outside of the page, and that's okay. Just be very careful, okay? See how I'm doing it one line at a time? I'm making the same motion just like this, and right here in the corners I'm going in pretty slowly. So make sure that once you get to the edges, you're very careful because sometimes you will have like little mistakes just like the one I just made right there. So just be very careful whenever you are coloring in the background, okay? And I noticed that some parts are darker than others, so I am going to go back and I'm going to move my page around so that I can color a little bit better, okay? Notice that I did make some mistakes because I got too close, and then once I got too close and I moved up and down, I started noticing that I got some green inside of here, and sometimes that happens. Now guys, for today I did the background yellow, but you can choose whatever color that you want, okay? You don't have to do the same color that I did. Now I am going to do the bottom part right here, and I am actually going to take this blue-green color and I am going to color the top of it. So go ahead and make sure that you are going slowly and that you take care of the edges here. Sometimes what I like to do is color in the edges first a little bit. That way I know that I'm not supposed to get too close to there. So you can do this too. Color in the edge first of where you are going to put in all the color, and then color in the inside. So there was my edge right there, and then I think I have another edge here at the bottom. Alright guys, so I finished coloring here at the bottom, but I am going to go ahead and color it in again so that way it looks a little bit more vibrant. And notice how I was going this way first. Now I'm going to go the opposite way, okay? Alright guys, so right here is done. And I am going to go ahead and do the very bottom part. And remember, I am choosing this color, so you can choose whatever colors you want and whatever shapes you want. So I'm going to choose this pink one, and I'm going to very carefully go around all of the details first, and I'm going to come around and color in the details in the end. Now notice here that it is not it should be. So I am going to go slowly in a different direction, and I am going to color it in through a different direction so that I can layer some more color on top. Alright guys, so I think I am done with the bottom part, and I notice here that I have some white, so I can either leave it like that or go in with another color. I am going to try to go in here with a different color, see how it looks. And remember, the pattern that I created is a lot different than yours. Yours does not have to look like this, okay? Finally, I see I have this line over here, so I will use this purple. So if you have a light background, like let's say a yellow or maybe like a green color or some kind of light color, you can go on top with it with a different color that is darker.